How to learn English through movies. Fun way to learn English for ESL speakers. Rule number 1. Learn English phrases, but not just individual words. Let's get started. The first phrases we're going to learn is, pull over.
Rule number 2.
Rule number 2, understand the phrase's meaning. Pull over. To command or force someone to drive their vehicle to the curb or side of the road and bring it to a stop. For example, the police officer pulled me over because one of my taillights was out.
Rule number 3.
Rule number 3, listening to the sound of the speaker's voice. Volume, pitch, and speed. In other words, it is not just about what someone says, it is about how he or she feels about it. Did she say it with a confident tone? An angry tone, a defeated tone, or something else? Pay attention now.
Pull over!
Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! Pull over!
Pull over!
Rule number 4. Practice shadowing in English. The idea is to speak along with the audio, so you learn the natural pace, rhythm, and intonation of English. Get ready. Repeat what you hear while you listen.
Pull over!
Pull over! Pull over! Pull over!
Pull over!
Well done. And one last rule. Don't try to be 100% perfect. Have fun. And enjoy your time.
You're awesome.
It's